Welcome to our channel. Google Pixel phones have motion photos, which is similar to Apple's Live Photos feature. Follow these steps to enable and use this feature on your Pixel device. Step 1. Open the camera app on your Google Pixel phone. Step 2. Look for the motion photos icon at the top of the camera interface, which looks like a circular arrow or motion symbol. Step 3. Tap the motion photos icon to enable the feature, which will capture a few seconds of video before and after you take a photo. Step 4. Take photos as normal, and motion photos will automatically record short video clips with each shot. Step 5. View your motion photos by opening the Google Photos app and selecting an image that has the motion icon in the corner. Step 6. Tap on the photo to play the motion, which will animate the seconds before and after the shot. Step 7. Export motion photos as videos or GIFs by tapping the three-dot menu in Google Photos and selecting Export. Step 8. Disable motion photos when not needed to save storage space and battery life by tapping the motion icon again in the camera app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.